So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a progress bar or a wait bar within the Scilab. So how we can do that? First of all, open your Scilab and write here SciNotes. SciNotes will open a blank file for us. So here we can write our own code. So first we will write wait bar. So wait bar is a function that will actually create a wait bar or a progress bar. Okay, and obviously if there is a progress bar, then it must have to show some sort of value from 0% to 100%. So in wait bar parameter brackets, if we want to write 10%, then we can write 0.1. okay, and if we want to write 100%, then we can write 1. okay, and if we want to write 50, then we can write 0.5. but here we will just write a is equal to wait bar. So now we have initialized our wait bar, or okay, and give its value to the variable a. The whole function is now inside variable a. Now we can write example or process. It is just a what's called is the string that will be displayed on the progress bar. So a is equal to wait bar process. So now we can run it out. Yes, save and execute. Now we can see that our progress bar has been generated. Now we will declare one new function, that is real time of 1. Real time here is actually real time init 1. So here real time initialization is actually a function, and we have inserted 1 inside its brackets. And why it is so? Because we have initialized a real time operation, okay, and we have to obviously and we need obviously a delay, real time delay. So that is why we have initialized this real time init function. So okay, so this is real time init. Then we will go and we will write for loop for 0 colon 0.01 colon 1 and now what is this for loop? It will go from 0 to 1 with a lap of 0.01. okay, it goes from 0 to 1 with a lapse of 0.01. okay, and then we will write for b is equal to 0 to 1 and with a lapse of 0.01. so what is this now? Here our b variable will start from 0 and it will goes to 1 with a with an iteration of 0.01. just like it will start from 0, the first value is 0.01, the second value is 0.02, and the third value is 0.03, and it will goes to 1. okay, so this is our b, and obviously it is for loop, so it will execute again and again. So for b is equal to this thing. Then we will write a delay function, that is real time 3 multiply with b. So now we have multiplied 3 with b because it is very less, b is very less, so that is why. okay, or we can go for like 30. yes, we can go for 30 because b's values are very less. So it is real time 30 cross b. okay, then we will write wait bar. This function will just create a delay. This line just creates a delay. Then we'll write wait bar and b comma a. So in so it is b comma a. So b value. okay, so this wait bar is actually will draw a wait bar with b value. a is the win id of the wait bar and b is the percentage value. So as soon as our b will get incremented, then we can say that our values on the wait bar will increase. Like now we'll run it out, we can click on save and execute, and now you can see that it is going from 0 to 100. So in this way you can make a progress bar or a wait bar within the Scilab. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can create a wait bar or a progress bar within the Scilab. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.